If you love creative home decor that tells a story, you're in the right place. Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, where we transform simple materials into stunning statement pieces every single day. If you enjoy rustic design, upcycling ideas, and creative woodworking projects, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications, because we post videos daily to inspire your next project. Today's idea is something truly special, turning broken tools into a stunning rustic table lamp that not only lights up your space, but also adds character, warmth, and history to your home. Instead of throwing away worn-out hammers, rusty wrenches, old saw blades, or damaged drill parts, we are giving them a second life as functional art. There's something powerful about taking objects that were once used in workshops and construction sites and transforming them into cozy lighting decor that fits perfectly in a modern farmhouse, industrial loft, cabin retreat, or rustic living room. Broken tools often carry texture, patina, and natural aging that simply cannot be replicated by brand new materials. The scratches, rust marks, faded paint, and worn wooden handles tell a story of craftsmanship and hard work. When incorporated into a table lamp design, these elements create depth and authenticity. The first step in this creative transformation is selecting the right tools. Look for pieces that have strong shapes and interesting silhouettes. A heavy wrench can form a curved lamp structure, a cluster of old screwdrivers can create a sculptural base, and a vintage hand drill can become the central feature of the lamp body. Even chipped wooden handles from axes or hammers can be repurposed as rustic vertical supports. The beauty of this project lies in creativity. There are no strict rules, only possibilities. Once you've selected your tools, consider pairing them with reclaimed wood for the base. Reclaimed wood adds warmth and stability while balancing the cold, industrial feel of metal. A thick slab of salvaged timber, sanded lightly but still showing grain and natural imperfections, creates the perfect rustic foundation. Secure your tools firmly to the wood base using strong adhesives or concealed screws to ensure durability and safety. Stability is key because a table lamp should not only look beautiful, but also function safely and reliably. As you assemble the structure, step back occasionally to observe the composition. Think of it as building a sculpture. The arrangement should feel balanced and intentional, not cluttered. Combining vertical and diagonal elements often creates visual interest while maintaining harmony. Wiring the lamp is the next important stage. If you're comfortable with basic electrical work, you can install a standard lamp kit that includes a socket, cord, and plug. Thread the wire carefully through hollow tool handles or discreetly along the structure, securing it neatly to maintain a clean look. For a more dramatic effect, consider using an Edison-style bulb. These vintage-inspired bulbs enhance the rustic and industrial aesthetic with their warm glow and visible filaments. The soft amber light contrasts beautifully with aged metal and reclaimed wood, creating a cozy atmosphere perfect for bedside tables, office desks, or living room corners. Finishing touches make all the difference. You can choose to preserve the natural rust for an authentic industrial vibe, or apply a clear sealant to prevent further corrosion while keeping the aged appearance. For wood elements, a light stain or natural oil finish enhances the grain without making it look overly polished. The goal is to maintain that raw, handcrafted charm. Sometimes less is more. Avoid overpainting or over-refining because the imperfections are what make the piece unique. Each scratch and mark contributes to its personality. This upcycling project is not only about design, it's also about sustainability. Repurposing broken tools reduces waste and keeps metal and wood out of landfills. In a world where mass-produced decor dominates store shelves, handmade upcycled lighting stands out as meaningful and environmentally responsible. It proves that beautiful home decor doesn't have to be expensive or newly manufactured. With creativity and intention, forgotten items can become centerpieces that spark conversation. Imagine guests noticing your lamp and asking where you bought it, only for you to proudly say you made it from discarded tools. That sense of accomplishment is priceless. Another advantage of this project is its flexibility. You can customize the size, shape, and style according to your interior theme. For a bold industrial look, use darker metals, thicker bolts, and heavier wood. For a softer farmhouse feel, combine lighter wood tones with gently aged tools and a linen lampshade. If you prefer a minimalist rustic aesthetic, keep the structure simple with one standout tool as the focal point. The design possibilities are endless, which makes this project perfect for creative experimentation. You can even create matching lamps for a cohesive bedroom or office setup. If you're thinking about selling handmade decor, this idea has strong market appeal. Rustic table lamps made from reclaimed materials are highly sought after because they combine functionality with artistry. Buyers appreciate the story behind each piece and the eco-friendly approach. High-quality photos highlighting the textures and warm lighting can make your creations stand out online. Be sure to emphasize the uniqueness of each lamp, as no two broken tools are identical. Limited edition appeal increases value and interest. As you work on your lamp, remember that patience and safety come first. Wear protective gloves when handling sharp or rusty tools, and ensure all electrical connections are secure. Test the lamp thoroughly before placing it in your home. Once completed, position it in a space where its details can shine. A wooden side table, a reclaimed bookshelf, or even a concrete surface can complement the rustic industrial vibe beautifully. When switched on, the lamp becomes more than just a light source, it becomes a statement piece that reflects creativity and sustainability. Projects like this remind us that inspiration can be found anywhere, even in objects that seem unusable at first glance. A broken wrench might look like scrap metal, but with imagination, it transforms into a structural design element. An old saw blade becomes a dramatic backdrop. A cracked hammer handle turns into a rustic column. The process of transformation is what makes DIY decor so rewarding. It encourages us to slow down, observe materials closely, and think beyond their original purpose. At Kuki Decor, our mission is to inspire you to see potential in everyday materials and create decor that feels personal and meaningful. We post videos daily, sharing innovative ideas for upcycling wood, metal, and reclaimed materials into stunning home decor pieces. If this project sparked your creativity, Make sure you subscribe and stay connected for more rustic lighting ideas, furniture transformations, and eco-friendly design inspiration. Your support helps us continue sharing practical tutorials and creative concepts that anyone can try at home. Turning broken tools into a stunning rustic table lamp is more than a DIY activity, it's a celebration of craftsmanship, sustainability, and imagination. It bridges the gap between workshop grit and home comfort, proving that beauty can emerge from imperfection. Whether you're crafting for your own home, creating gifts, or building products to sell, this project showcases the power of upcycling in modern interior design. So gather those forgotten tools, choose a beautiful piece of reclaimed wood, and start building something extraordinary. Let your creativity guide you, embrace the imperfections, and watch as discarded materials transform into a warm, glowing masterpiece that brings character and charm into your space. And don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow DIY lovers, and subscribe to Kuki Decor for daily inspiration that turns simple materials into stunning decor.